Hello everyone, welcome back to Amura's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how I make baklava. Baklava is a layered pastry dessert which is made with Filo pastry sheets, chopped nuts, ghee and sugar syrup. The mix of these ingredients creates a delicious rich flavor and the flaky crunchy texture. For this dessert we need very few ingredients. Without any delay, let's make baklava. Watch the entire video without skipping because I am going to guide you through the process with the tips. We are going to start the process with the sugar syrup. For that, take a saucepan on medium heat, add 3/4 cup of water and half cup sugar. Mix occasionally. Once the sugar dissolved into the water, add 3 crushed green cardamom and mix. You can use green cardamom powder too. Once the sugar water comes to rolling boil, switch off the stove and add 1 teaspoon lemon or lime juice. That's it, sugar syrup is ready. Keep it aside and let it cool down. Now I am going to chop the raw pistachios in a food processor. If you don't have food processor, crush them in a blender or mixer with the pulse button or on and off technique. Just make sure to not to powder them. Now open the Phyllo sheets from the back. To thaw the sheets, I just left them on the counter for 1-2 hours after I removed them from the freezer. This box comes with 2 packets. Each packet has 18 9-inch by 14-inch sheets. Today I am using only 1 packet. I am going to use 9x9 pan, so I am cutting the sheets into half. If you want, you can use big baking pan that can fit 9x14-inch size sheets without cutting into half. These sheets are very thin and delicate, so be gentle on them when you are using them. Cover the sheets all the time, otherwise they will get dry and break easily while we are using them. You can even use damp cloth to cover them. Preheat the oven before we start the layering process. Coat the pan with ghee and start the layering with sheets and ghee. This chart shows the order in which I layer the ingredients. I will walk you through how to read this chart while I am making. First, I am using 2 sheets at a time. Arrange sheets in the bottom of the pan and add ghee layer. Repeat this 5 times. Now I am adding first layer of pistachios. On top of the first pistachio layer, add 1 sheet and then ghee layer. Repeat this step 5 times. Now I added second layer of pistachios. Now I am adding 2 sheets at a time with ghee layer and I am going to repeat this step 3 times. Now I am adding third layer of pistachios. After third pistachio layer, I am adding a single sheet followed by ghee layer. I'm going to repeat this step 5 times. Now I am adding 4th layer of chopped pistachios. After 4th pistachio layer, I am adding 2 sheets at a time, followed by ghee layer, and I am going to repeat this step 5 times. The layering process is done. Now cut it into your desired shape. It can be square or rhombus or triangles. And finally, ghee layer on the top. Bake for 45 minutes to 50 minutes, or once the top layer turns into light brown. Take the hot pan out and add room temperature sugar syrup slowly, then you will hear sizzling sound as the baked sheets absorbs the sugar syrup. I made light sugar syrup. If you like thick and more sweeter sugar syrup, you can add 3/4 cup sugar instead of half cup. Then you will get thick consistency and more sweeter sugar syrup. Let it sit for a few minutes, like 30 to 40 minutes, and then baklava is ready to serve. You can cut the baklava in the pan and serve directly from the pan, but I didn't want to scratch my non-stick pan. That's why I transferred baklava onto the parchment paper and did cut finely to serve. Making baklava in large quantities also very easy. Now I made 12 pieces. If you double the quantities of the ingredients and without cutting the sheets into half by using big baking pan, you can make 24 pieces. Baklava is best served at room temperature for me, but some people like it warm, some people like it cold. Even you can re-warm in the microwave. Mouth-watering baklava dessert is ready to serve. This dessert is very easy to make and crowd pleaser. You can make this dessert ahead and keep it in the refrigerator. This is freezer friendly dessert too. Thank you for watching this video. Please try this recipe and let me know how it turned out for you.
Please subscribe Amura's Kitchen for more wonderful videos. And also don't forget to like and share.